How to add multiple videos or photos in one story on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. Without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, then go to story option that is located up above. As you go to the story option and click on that, then you will see a page open. Now, by getting into any of the picture or video you want, by selecting any picture, let's say I am selecting a random picture. As I select this picture, by keep on clicking it, now I can select multiple picture and I can hit next. As I can hit next, then I have an option to put them on separate two stories, or I can put them in a layout in one story. So this is how I can add multiple videos or photos in one story on Instagram by clicking on layout. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.